This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
O2 sensor replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Release the wiring harness and connector from the vehicle frame. Disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector. Unscrew the connector from the exhaust pipe or catalytic converter with an oxygen sensor wrench. Anti-seize compound must be used on the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. The threads of the new sensors will already be coated with this compound, but if an old sensor is removed and reinstalled, recoat the threads. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Connect the electrical connector, then secure the connector clip onto the frame. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.